One of the easiest and most stress-free way to spend your cryptocurrency anywhere in the world, including Nigeria, is via virtual card. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to apply for your Bybit Virtual Card and get it right here in Nigeria. So if you are new to the channel, please like, subscribe and share this video. Now let's get started. I'm currently at the home page of my Bybit. You can see this option right here. Click on more. Now you can either decide to search for it or swipe right and click on finance. Once you click on the finance area, you see the option card. Click on card. So one of the benefits of this card is you get to pay anytime, anywhere with your crypto or fiat. You earn 2 to 10% cashback rewards on your everyday spending. You go virtual and spend instantly, you earn up to 8% APR on your idle funds. So if your money is resting in your virtual card, you earn up to 8% APR on M. Now, one of the best feature of this is zero free card insurance. One of the major challenges you have with other virtual cards is the annual fee is always there, the monthly maintenance fee is always there, and all those small fees that will end up reducing your balance in your virtual card. So right here, Bybit is telling you that the virtual card, the insurance that's giving you of the card, and the annual fees, there is none. That's crazy, bro. So now this virtual card, there are two types. You have the physical and virtual. So you can decide to choose either one you want. The virtual card is online, then the physical card will be sent to you right here in Nigeria or any country you are in. So you can see the activate card area here. Beside it, you can see it's free. So the zero insurance and annual fees is no cap. There's no fee to apply. Now click on activate card. So the next thing you need to do is select your country of residence. Why this is important? Because if you're applying for the physical card, this will be sent down to you in your country through the post office. So you need to select the country you're currently in so you can be able to go and pick up this physical card. Now, once you have selected Nigeria, I'm currently in Nigeria, so select any country you are in, click on continue. So once you click on continue, you should also know that some countries have this available in them, then others don't have it available. So the cards are available in some countries, while in some countries it's not available. So you can see what he wrote here. Please note that only residents of selected countries may apply for a Bybit card. So currently I am in Nigeria and we are allowed to apply for this card. So I'll go ahead. Also note that my account here is verified. So if your account isn't verified, then that will be another problem. So because I have my Bybit account verified with my driver's license, that's why it shows identity verification successful. So now, if you haven't verified your account, please use any document from your local government or whatever you're using your country to verify and verify your account. Then you can go ahead with this step. So click on next. Now, the next step is to confirm your email address. This is the email you used in registering your Bybit account. You should also try to register your Bybit with an active email account so that any message that will be sent, any notification will be sent directly to that your email. So now we have to click on by continuing, I agree with terms and conditions. So you just have to tick it. If you have any referral code, you can simply put it in here. I don't have any referral code because I'm doing this video for example. Now click on submit. So that's basically how it is. Now you will see your virtual card application is under review. Your virtual card application typically takes a few minutes to complete. In certain cases, an additional review may extend the process to a maximum of 7 working days. Please check your mailbox, including your junk, spam box, folders, if you haven't received any email notification regarding your application status after this period. Boost your earnings with Bybit savings. We activated auto cashback and auto savings for your new Bybit card. So you can actually decide to turn it off. Deposit now and embark on your card journey with us. So explore card benefits. Now, once you have applied successfully, you can come back here and check your application status. So if you click on view my application status, they will tell you whether you have your card has been delivered successfully or activated depending on the one you applied for. So I applied for a virtual card, not the physical card. So the virtual card, I'll have to come back here within few minutes to know if it has been approved. So that's basically how it is done. If you found this video helpful, if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section as well. And I will do the next video on how to apply for the physical card and how you can get it in Nigeria. So subscribe to the channel, keep it low, turn the bell notification to get the next update. And yeah, let's go.